right, this says that we are doing unit 1, homework 3. So we're multiplying and dividing integers. Remember, if we need a reminder, if our signs are the same, our answer is positive. If they're different, they're negative. Very good. Love the enthusiasm, but you gotta turn it down a little bit so you're not driving people crazy, right? All right, so I'm just gonna go through these multiples of 3 on the far right column, and so I can leave you some to practice, and then I'll do the right side over here as well, okay? All right, so -4 times 9. What's 4 times 9? 36. Positive or negative? Negative. 5 times 16. That's a little tricky, right? 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Or we can think half of 16 is 8 times 10. It's 80. Positive or negative? Negative. Thank you, sir. Perfect. What's 5 times 6? So same thing here. Good. Half of 6 is 3 times 10. Positive or negative? Negative. 12 is straightforward. 7 times 7 is... All right, when we get into division, we have to think 4 times what is 56? So I'm thinking 4 into 56. How many times can 4 go into 5? Once. 4 times. How many times can 4 go into 16? 4 times. So this would have been a great one to use our planners for, right? Positive or negative? Negative. So -14 here. How many times can any number go into 0? 0. If you think about it like this, if I have 0 parts of -2, I still have 0. If I have 0 parts of 10, I would still have 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. All right, 81 into 3. Well, this isn't a pretty one. How many times can 3 go into 8? 3 times 2 is 6, right? So be careful which answer you put where. And then 8 minus 6 is 2. When I bring down the 1, I'm saying 3 times what is 21? 27. So I have a -27 here. 24 is a little tricky. 0 divided by any number is 0, but a number divided by 0 we call, does anybody know? Undefined. Undefined. All right. So the difference when we're looking at our word problems, when we're looking for a product, we're looking for the total of something. When we're looking for a quotient, we're looking for what part, a part of it. So let's read the question and think, are we looking for a total or a part? Sean burns 9 calories per minute. That sounds like they're giving us a part when he runs. How many calories does he burn if he runs for 45 minutes? So are we looking for a total or a part? They want the total number of calories. So that means we're finding the product. Product means to do what? Means to multiply, right? So we're going to multiply 9. Is 9 positive or negative? He's burning them, so he's losing them. Times 45. So we want the total number of calories. I have to rewrite it so that I can think this through. 9 times 5 is 45. So I'm carrying my 4. What's 9 times 4? 36 plus that 4 is 40. Hey, Eric, I did tell everybody where they were and Alex while you were gone, so make sure you've got your 4. Okay. Says you have learned 1 topic, so you got to learn 3 more today. All right, so 405, and is that positive or negative? Wait, yeah, positive. No, my signs are different. So my answer is negative 405. And we're answering how many total calories. All right, the number of employees at a company decreased by 60 over 5 years. What is the average yearly change in employees? So I'm looking at per year, right? Average yearly change. If I want to know my yearly change, is that part or a total? We know the total is decreasing by 60 over 5 years. So we want to know a part. So it's decreasing by 60, and that's over a total of 5 years. We want per year. How many times can 5 go into 60? 12. Good. Positive or negative? So it's negative 12 employees. And you could say per year, or that's just answering your question, right? On average, negative 12 employees, or 12 employees leave per year. All right, let's look at this. The price of a stock decreased $2 each day for 7 consecutive days. What was the, oh, here's our keyword, total change in value of the stock over the 7 days? So do we want the product or the quotient? We want the total, so we're multiplying, right? It's decreasing 2. How many days is it decreasing by 2 for? 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Positive or negative? Negative. My signs are different. So it's going down a total of $14. All right. So today you're finishing up this homework page, and then you're using this quiz for review. Some things we haven't seen in a while, right? How do we think about these? You might have to go back to the very first page. It's been a week, right? Hasn't been too long though, because I think we started on Tuesday. It just seems like it's been a long time. So go back and look at your packet. Find problems that look like these if you need help. Your absolute value, remember, your answer is always positive because it's the distance from 0. So change these to get rid of your absolute value before you find and compare them. And then be careful with your word problems. Remember, you might have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide for them. Okay? So we're finishing up this packet today. You have a good half an hour, right? No, 20 minutes, almost 25. So get a good start or a good finish even. Try and work your way through here. I'll be wandering around if you need help. If that helps you stay focused, if it's distracting you, I might ask you to turn off your music, right? Yeah. But if it's helping you stay focused, that would be okay. We gotta stay focused today.